Barenz. I just wanted to take you through a quick demo on how to add items to the back end. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to start with you take a look at the email I'm sending you. It'll have this information, but first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a little login. So you're going to go to barenzbuilders.com/wp-admin. It's going to take you to username, and the username is info@barenzbuilders.com, and then the password is in the email, so make sure you check that out. It's got some special characters in there. I don't want to say it on the video, but so click here to log in, and okay, it's going to take you to what's called the dashboard. I won't add that in. And where we're going to go is you're going to go into your project gallery. Now I want to caution you, you do have administrative access, so just go to where I'm telling you, because I don't want you to inadvertently break something and cause you a little bit of undue stress. So we're going to go into our projects, and this will take a moment to load. So let's say I want to add a new item to a current project. So we're just going to pick the low residence for this example. So you go into the residence, you click on edit, and that'll take a moment to load. And it will bring you to this page. This top section doesn't contain anything, so don't concern yourself with that because it doesn't show. But basically, shows the builder detail. So this is standard, I think, for everything. Then customer detail. I don't have a phone number for the Low family, so you might want to add that in. It is exactly specific to the way it's set up. So it's 3 digits dash 3 digits dash 4. It won't take anything other than that. Project schedule, I'll explain all of that in a moment, but basically you'll see that and that is referring to, let me just show you so we save a little bit of time. I'm going to open up the preview on another tab, and I'll show you what that's referring to. So that section is referencing everything that you are going to notice down the left side of the interface. So here it is. So you just saw builder information, client information, location, project schedule, and then these are links to I guess the garage doors, the different vendors that you currently work with. So that's how that's set up. So that's what this entire section is referencing right there. Okay. Then we come down to this area called documents. Documents are things like your change orders or whatever that is. So let's say you have a new change order. You would click on this button here that says Add Document. Change order survey, anything that's like a PDF or a Word document. That's what this is for. So you would click the Add Document button. It's going to ask for what this document is, and then it's going to ask for the URL. So let me explain to you how the URL works. So let's say I want to add a new change order. So I would just type in change order. And then what I would do is, you see here there's a media folder. I'm going to do a command or a control click, and I'm going to say open link in new tab. I'm going to go to my media folder. Inside your media folder is where you're going to upload any of the new files that you need. So for example, I'm just going to add a change order here, and I'm going to just pull from another client for now, just so I have something in here for this demo. But let's say that's your change order. So here's the change order. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to take this link, select all, so highlight, click inside this area, select all, copy, go back to my other tab, paste, and if you scroll up, I will add this right by hitting update. So that's how you would add a change order or a survey or anything along those lines. And I'll show you in a moment where it is. So here's the change order, and the date is 6/11 of 18, which is today's date. So obviously, whatever date you add it, it'll default to today's date, of course. But if you want to backdate something and you, let's say you forgot something from last week and you want to add that in, simply go ahead and add it in with that date, and it will reorder it by date. So if I go here and I click on just refresh, I'm going to refresh my browser. There's the new change order that I just added, dated 6/11 of 18. Okay, oops, sorry, took you to the wrong place. I'm going to scroll down. Now, adding gallery images is exactly the same way. So you have photos from today, you click the button that says Add Images, and it's going to say Upload Images. So you can drag and drop images, and I'm just going to drag some from this photo diary from another, the learner residence. I'm just going to drag one. So here we go. So this is what I've got. I've got how many from this date? 1/1/1/15 of 18. So there's quite a few here. I'm just going to grab 3. You can take 3, as many as you want. I'm just shift clicking. I'm going to drag those all in. You will see that they are all loading. And then they're all checked. And I click Add Images. There they are. Scroll up to the top. Hit Update. And then I'm just going to click the Preview Changes button. That'll open up the preview. And here's the 3 new images that I added. So they're all, and if I can click on here, you'll see they're added in. If I want to go in and modify their titles, I could do something like this. Would go back here to my media library, close. I'm just going to refresh it because I added some new images. So if I go here, I could click on this image. I could copy this. I'm going to copy this into the caption. I'm going to hit the next button. Copy that into the caption. And copy that into the caption. And close that out. Go back to edit. I'm going to update. Preview the changes once again. And you'll see it's right here, the previews. So once that's done loading, the caption is now applied. So the caption you need to add in manually each time. So you can see that I got the caption here. And basically, that's how you update. Contact information, there's a section in there for you to do that. But basically, this is how everything is set up. And when you're done with that, you simply click on the logout button and you're good to go. And that should cover it for this piece of the project.